Hi, this is Mrs. Steyert, and I'm here today with my son Brad.
Hello.
And we're going to play the Fidget Spinner sight word game. So what you'll need to play the game today is your fidget spinner that has an arrow on it and your paper plate with your sight words on it. So what you're going to do is, I just put a hole into your plate and I'm just going to put the fidget spinner right in there so that it spins. And we're just going to take turns going back and forth. We're going to spin the fidget spinner. Whatever arrow that it stops on, we're going to read that word. And we're going to take turns till we've read most of the words. So I'm going to get started. And it's landed on and. Now it's Brad's turn.
C.
Good job, Brad. Now it's your turn. You spin your fidget spinner. Super job. Good job. I'm going to go again. Mine landed on I. Now it's Brad's turn.
Oh, whoops.
That's okay.
2.
Nice job, Brad. And it's your turn. And what's that word? Good reading. Good job. Let's take one more turn, and then you can keep playing at home. I got 2. And it's Brad's turn. Uh-oh, Brad. Do you want to spin again?
Sure.
He got the right on the line, so he's given another turn.
A.
Nice job. And it's your turn. Spin the spinner. And what does it say? Super job. Good reading. You can keep taking turns with someone at home, or you can play again with us. Thanks for playing. Bye.